This time, we're exploring a unique home that blends traditional rural elements with a strong modern design approach. Welcome to the Folding Roof Courtyard House, a project by MAT office located in Xishaoqu Village, Miyun District, Beijing, a region that still preserves the authentic atmosphere of a Chinese northern village, surrounded by mountains and natural landscapes. Xishaoqu Village is dominated by traditional farmer houses with spacious courtyards. In this context, the project owner aimed to contribute to the revival of underutilized village spaces through adaptive architectural strategies. The main goal was to transform these empty courtyards into recreational areas and weekend lodgings, managed directly by the local community. Folding Roof Courtyard is one such revitalized courtyard, specifically designed for public functions such as guest reception and workshops. When MAT office took on the design task, the basic structure was already in place, a concrete frame with some roofing partially installed. The building consisted of two main volumes, the main house and an annex, each with a double-pitched roof aligned along the east-west axis. However, their proportions were unbalanced, as the annex was much deeper. This asymmetry became the starting point of the design intervention, to visually and functionally unify the two volumes through a single defining element, the continuous folding roof. Material-wise, the design responds closely to the local context. The exterior walls combine shale stone and earth brick, a rough yet durable blend that complements the mountainous village aesthetic. At the entrance, a concrete canopy with wood grain textures left by formwork enhances the brutalist character while maintaining a simple form, reminiscent of the gray village fences commonly seen in the area. This folding roof became the architectural identity of the project. By elevating part of the main house's roof and transforming the annex's roof from a double pitch to a four-sided slope, the architects created a new, more harmonious composition. The roof folds not only reinforce the spatial connection between the two volumes, but also allow natural light to enter through tall windows on the north and south facades. At night, the glowing windows subtly signal the building's public function to the surrounding neighborhood. The roof structure is built with a steel frame, topped with wooden purlins and panels. This combination is not only technically efficient, but also easy for local craftsmen, familiar with traditional roof construction, to execute. The result is a spatial experience that feels diverse and dynamic, with sloped and inverted roofs creating an unexpected rhythm. From the outside, the house appears to be a typical pitched roof building, but inside, the contrasting roof angles offer a more contemporary and abstract ambience. One of the standout design features is the thoughtful treatment of windows. Since the building functions as a public space, visual interaction between interior and exterior was prioritized. For types of windows were designed to support this. Tall windows beneath the sloped roof, full-height glass openings facing the courtyard, long horizontal windows for ventilation and views, and small square skylights for overhead illumination. Together, these ensure that every corner of the space captures views of the surrounding forest and mountains. More than just a house, the Folding Roof Courtyard is a statement on how architecture can bridge the past and present. By preserving local character while integrating modern construction systems and progressive spatial forms, this project shows that village revitalization doesn't have to mean losing identity. On the contrary, architecture can strengthen local values while introducing new functions that are relevant to contemporary life. Unit 2 invites you to see that meaningful design doesn't have to be grand or complex. The Folding Roof Courtyard House is a clear example of how a thoughtful approach to context, structure, and material can create spaces that are functional, beautiful, and harmoniously integrated with their surroundings. Don't forget to follow us for more inspiring home design ideas. See you in the next video.